yeah, go. Alright, today's video we are going to be making an amazing hair growth serum. I just finished preparing this serum. This is amazing, guys. So we have got some amazing botanical active ingredients here. We have got some amazing plant extracts. We have aloe vera here. This is going to be very great for our scalp and also for our hair. It promotes hair growth. It helps with itchiness. It helps with dryness. It helps to promote healthy growth. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare this. I just finished using this on my daughter's hair. You can use this in so many ways, thereby using it as a treatment before you shampoo your hair, or pardon my daughter, guys, she just wants to show, like she's just want to show on this video. Oh yeah, go. Bye bye. She will not allow me to do the presentation of this video, but maybe I'm just going to finish everything with a voice note. Welcome back, guys. So since my daughter will not allow me to talk properly, I am just going to be doing a voice over. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This serum is amazing. This is a leave-in serum that you don't have to wash at. Do not wash it out, but you can use it in so many ways. You can also wash it out by using it as a pre-shampoo treatment on your scalp, guys. It is absolutely amazing, and it contains some amazing plant extract. So all of these seeds and plants are amazing for hair growth. They promote healthy hair growth by stimulating your scalp and preventing some scalp issues like dandruff, itchiness, preventing graying, conditioning your hair, preventing hair damage, promoting blood circulation, and maintaining the healthiness of your scalp. I hope you guys find this video helpful. So we are going to be making use of a teaspoon of peppermint leaf, a teaspoon of fenugreek seed, a teaspoon of blackseed, and a teaspoon of rosemary. So guys, all of these will be listed in the description box below, just to get more of the benefits that it has. Check down below in the description box, guys. So we are making use of each of these ingredients by blending it just to get the infusion better. We are going to be infusing this using the cold process. The oil I will be making use of is extra virgin organic olive oil. You can make use of any oil of your choice, guys. So go ahead to top it up with your olive oil or any oil of your choice. I am going to be storing this for 2 weeks for it to infuse. You can do this faster by doing the double boiler method, by putting a pot of water on the fire and just placing this on top just to get the infusion. But I have time, and this cold process method is amazing as well. You can do any method of infusion of your choice. So I'm going to be leaving this for 2 weeks for it to infuse. After 2 weeks, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. You can infuse this for a week or more than the 2 weeks, guys. So this is it. It is looking beautiful, and we are going to be leaving it for all of the plants extract to infuse on our oil, guys. So after about 2 weeks, this is what it looks like, and right now I am then going to filter it, guys. So after filtering this, I am going to show you guys what it looks like. This is very amazing. It smells great as well. So after filtering this, we are going to be adding other amazing ingredients. You can add any oil of your choice. All right, to make the main serum, we are going to be making use of aloe vera gel. So you can use any aloe vera gel of your choice. The aloe vera gel I will be using will be linked in the description box below. It has preservative already, and I bought the aloe vera gel. It is amazing for the skin, for the hair, and for the body and for the face. So guys, use aloe vera gel. If you have the plant, you can make use of it. Just make sure to preserve your serum, because with aloe vera gel it contains water, and you want to preserve this. And if you don't preserve this, it is going to go bad after about 2 weeks or more. It's going to go bad. And yeah, so if you have preservative, go ahead to add preservative. So guys, my aloe vera has preservative already, and I also added vitamin E oil. All right, after mixing this together, I am going to be adding in my avocado oil. You can go ahead to add in any oil of your choice, like coconut oil or castor oil. Those oil are also very great for the hair and promote hair growth as well. So this serum is amazing. Our hair serum is ready, and this is so great. Go ahead to use your hair serum in so many ways. Make sure to mix it together, and whenever you are using it, just mix it, shake it up, and go ahead to use it. And you can use this hair serum in so many ways: by using it on your scalp, by using it as a pre-shampoo treatment, by using it overnight treatment, and most importantly, I love this because you don't have to wash this out of your hair. It contains amazing ingredients, active ingredients, plants which are natural, that will not damage your hair. You can use this on your kids hair as well. It is soothing for the scalp, and also if you have a sensitive scalp, you can use this as well. Aloe vera is amazing for the scalp. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fat and also strip your hair of any extra oil. It controls greasy hair. It helps with itchy scalp. It has an amazing ingredients which help in strengthening your hair. This serum is amazing. It contains amazing ingredients like you guys saw. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and your hair is going to be very shiny and moisturized because it contains moisturizing ingredients. It is going to help to soften your hair. So I'm going to go ahead to revive my daughter's braids. I am going to be washing her hair the next day, so I'm just going to use this as a pre-treatment. Okay, you can use this in so many ways. Even after washing her hair, this is the leave-in conditioner that I'll be using. So this is a leave-in conditioner treatment. Go ahead to use this. It softens your hair, and it gives it shyness, guys. So my camera is not even doing justice. Like, this shyness, the softness is amazing. Like, her hair becomes very soft, and yeah, this also helps you to re-moisturize your hair during the week. If your scalp is dry, even after protecting your scalp, sometimes after doing protective styling during the week, the scalp becomes very dry. If you don't re-moisturize your scalp, it is going to become dry, and your hair is going to break, and it will not grow. So guys, I hope you all find this video helpful. So I'm also going to be using this on my protective hairstyle as well, and on my scalp. This is just a scalp treatment, a moisturizer, and you can, after using this, go ahead to leave it like that, or go ahead to seal it in with a butter. I hope you guys find this helpful. As you guys can see, I'm using this on my daughter's scalp.